Once again, welcome to Shakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School, Mandar online classes. Myself, Deshmukh Apesha. And today, we have learned Standard 5 English subject, 4th number poem, Strawberries. So student, in previous lecture, we had learned a beautiful lesson, be a good listener. And in this lesson, we learn qualities of good listener. Okay student, but now in this lecture, we have seen a beautiful poem, Strawberries. So student, tell me, do you like fruits? Yes, I know. You like means everybody like fruits. But student, have you eaten strawberries? Yes, I know you eaten strawberries because strawberries are very beautiful fruit and very sweet and very juicy fruit. So student, now we will learn beautiful poem, Strawberry. Okay, you see in your textbook and I explain this poem. Student, see in your English textbook, page number 7, Unit 1, Subunit 4, Strawberries. So, first I read this poem, you listen carefully. Strawberries that in gardens grow are plumpy and juicy fine, but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. No need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spicy or cream. Has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. So student, here look at this picture. Here, this is strawberry. What is this? This is strawberry, the picture. Many strawberries here, and that is one girl and she has eaten a strawberry. So student, now first stanza, strawberries that in garden grow. So student, here the poet here is trying to tell us that strawberries which are grown in garden, and the strawberries are plump. So what is meaning of plump? So student, plump means big and also very delicious and also juicy. So here poet are trying to say that the strawberries which are grown in garden are very sweet and very big and also juicy fine. So juicy fine means very delicious and very tasty. So poet has trying to say tell us strawberries are very big and also very tasty and very delicious and which are grown in gardens. Okay student, now next line. But sweeter far as wise men know. So what is meaning of wise man? So student, wise man means scholar man, or wise man means those who are a very intelligent man is called wise man. So it as sweet as anything means any other fruit, means strawberries are sweet as anything means any other fruit. So strawberries are very sweet. So now next line. Spring from the woodland vine. So spring means spring it is a season, means a rainy season, and in spring season many different plants bloom and they grow and they also flourish and they give many beautiful fruits, means in spring season the fruits are grown. So woodland vine, where strawberries are grown? Spring from the woodland vine, means student, woodland vine is the place where the grapes are grown, means strawberries looks like a berry. It also called berry, means grapes also called berry. This is a type of berry, means grapes and strawberries are types of berry. So where the grapes are grown means on the creeper. So grapes are grown and other berries which are very delicious and sweet, so they are grown, so it as sweet as any other fruit. Means which has grown on woodland vine. So student, poet is trying to tell us strawberries which are grown in garden are plump, means big and juicy, and it is as sweet as all the other fruits, all the berries which are grown in woodland vine. So student, you understand first stanza? Now I read second stanza. No need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream, has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. So student, it simply means the strawberries are very very sweet. Means poet says that there is no need for bowl or silver spoon. Means we don't need to eat strawberry bowl or silver spoon. Means we directly eat this strawberry. We don't need for bowl or silver spoon or any other thing. So and also we don't need sugar and spice or cream. Means student, because why we don't need bowl, why we don't need sugar, spice or cream? Because it is very very sweet, so we don't need sugar or any spice or any cream. So now next line, has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. So student, wild berry is the type of fruit and strawberry is also fruit. So it is a berry which is plucked in month of June, and in June. So student, in June, in month of June, this is a season is rainy season. Mean there is a begins or starting of rainy season in June. So there are very small streams everywhere. Means in gardens, in forest, in also in our nature there are very small streams, and that are made of rain. So and with the strawberries are grown in the season where it is a cool. Means student, in our Maharashtra, in Mahabaleshwar is a hill station, and we know there in Mahabaleshwar there are many gardens of strawberries. Many gardens of strawberry in Mahabaleshwar. Means student, strawberries are grown in the season spring. Means it is also called monsoon, and it is also called rainy season. And strawberries are grown where it is a cool place. So beside the trickling stream. So trickling means small stream that are which are flowing. So we can see that climate in the beginning of rain, in the monsoon, in hill station there are many gardens and many strawberries are grown in garden. So poet says that beside the trickling stream there are many strawberry, and which are very plump and juicy fine. Means very big and very very delicious and very very tasty. Okay student, you understand? Student, in this poem we see some new words.